你好. How are you doing today? How's the weather in your city? How's your Chinese learning going? If you're someone who loves small talk, you don't want to miss this lesson. We're going to learn to ask how questions in this lesson. Let's get started. Before we get on with how, why don't we review the other question words we've learned so far? Who in Chinese is 谁? Who is she? 她是谁? 他是谁? What in Chinese is 什么? What's your name? 你叫什么名字? When in Chinese is 什么时候? When are we going to eat lunch? 我们什么时候吃午饭? Where in Chinese is 哪里? Where are you from? 你是哪里人? Lastly, how in Chinese is 怎么样? Actually, there are two ways to say how. When we're asking how something or someone is doing or going, in other words, checking the status of something, it's 怎么样? When we're talking about how someone does something or talking about the process of something, we use 怎么. We've dabbed a little into 怎么 in a previous lesson. For example, how do you say IKEA in Chinese? IKEA 用中文怎么说? We're focusing on the usage of 怎么样 in this lesson, and we'll talk more about 怎么 in a later video. 怎么样, just like the other question words, is used like X in math. We say the question like a statement and only insert the question word in the unknown part of the sentence. Weather in Chinese is 天气. How's the weather today? You'll literally be saying, today the weather how? 今天天气怎么样? What if you want to ask about certain cities' weather? We can add the city's name in front of 天气. How's the weather in Shanghai today? Literally, you'll be saying, today Shanghai's weather how? 今天上海的天气怎么样? To answer that, we could simply say, the weather's good. 天气很好. Cold in Chinese is 冷. Hot, 热. Neither cold nor hot. 不冷也不热. We use 也 to connect the negative forms of adjectives. How do you say it's too hot? 太热了. 太什么什么了 is the structure for too something something. Too cold. 太冷了. When it's hot and humid, we could say 闷热. Too hot and humid. 太闷热了. To rain in Chinese is 下雨. Going to rain. 会下雨. Wait, didn't we talk about 会 in the previous lesson? It means to know how to do something, right? Yes, but it has another meaning, which indicates the possibility of a certain situation. It means something is going to happen, or something is very likely to happen. How do you say, is it going to rain today? Literally, we're saying, today it's going to rain. Don't forget the yes-no sentence marker, 吗? 今天会下雨吗? 今天会下雨吗? To answer that, we could simply say, 不会. Let's look at another example. A picnic in Chinese is 野餐. To go on a picnic. 去野餐. Are we going on a picnic today? Literally, we're saying, today we're going on a picnic. 今天我们会去野餐吗? 今天我们会去野餐吗? How do you say, no, we're not going, it's too hot. 不会去, 太热了. Alright, that's it for today. We've covered using 怎么样 to ask a how question. some weather expressions, as well as another usage of the modal verb 会. Hope you like this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. 谢谢，再见。